fucking hate this brush. Like, I really, really hate this brush. Alright, hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm going to be doing another hair video. I'm like, I'm having a really hard time because I would never walk out of the house looking like this, much less come on camera and share this with however many people are gonna watch this video. But anyway, you know, shrinkage be humbling the mess out of you. That's all I gotta say. Anyway, so today I'm going to be doing a review on the Tangle Buster brush by KareCo. Originally I planned to do like a versus video and do this brush with the Denman brush, but I fucking hate this brush. Like, I really, really hate this brush. And I'll get into that when I start the review, so we'll know what I'm looking for in this brush. But I'm going to try this brush out. It's a Tangle Buster, like I said. It's from KareCo. It's a flexible paddle brush with easy glide brushing, snag free and tangle free. Okay, comfort, control, and detangle. It's supposed to be gentle to your scalp, your hair. It's supposed to be really good for thick hair. So a little quick background, because I did say I hate the brush. The reason I don't like the Denman brush, I don't know if it's meant for detangling, but it sucks at it. It sucks at detangling. Sorry, it's a little loud. I'm trying to open this box up. So basically, the Denman brush to me sucks at detangling, and I also feel like it rips my hair out like an insane. This is gonna bother me if I put it there. It rips my hair out like an insane amount, and I can't handle it. Like, I shed so much hair when I use the Denman brush, whether my hair is soaking wet or damp. Like, no matter what kind of good products I have, no matter what kind of slip, like, I shed so much hair with the Denman brush, and it actually physically hurts me to use it. It is so rough on my hair. But the only good thing about this brush, the only reason I haven't tossed it in the trash yet, is because this bit defines your curls like nothing else. So I have used it occasionally. Like, I'll detangle my hair with the wide tooth comb plus finger detangling before I go in with this. Like, I like my hair to be super detangled before I let it touch this, just to make some of my curls pop. Still hurts like hell. I really don't think that this was meant for a thick 4C hair, because everyone who I see says that they love it. It usually has a looser curl type. I've only seen like a handful of 4C girls say that they like this brush. Anyway, but yeah, I like the way it defines my curls. It makes them pop, but I do not like it. It's not good for detangling. It's not good. But so we're gonna try this out. My hair is freshly washed. It's already moisturized and everything, and I'm just gonna do like, sorry I keep touching my eye. My contacts are getting on my nerves. So we're going to, I guess, try this out. This is a really large brush. I'm kind of scared. I'm just doing a regular twist out. Like I said, I don't know where I left off. I'm just doing a regular twist out, so we'll see how this works. I'm really looking for it to, one, detangle my hair, obviously, and we're gonna look at how much hair it yanks out. My hair was detangled yesterday before, and I washed my hair today, and I finger detangled it in the shower, and I did finger detangle it again as I was putting products in. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So my hair is still kind of damp, so I'm not gonna really spray it again, but let's just grab a little section here. So of course I'm starting at the tip. If you start at the root of your hair, you're crazy. Please start at the tip and work your way up. Okay. A few snags. A little snagging here and there, which is typical, you know. for a brush, I mean, I'm detangling my hair. I do expect it to snag. That was pretty good. Now let's see how much hair came off. So from this little section that I just did, it's about this big. Okay, that was not you. This big. Hopefully you can see. I lost this much hair. Ooh. Not much hair. That's not bad at all. Actually, that's pretty good. That's a pretty good amount of hair, especially since my hair has been braided under a wig for about a month. I don't think I've touched it that entire month. So I expect a lot more shedding, actually. All right, for the sake of review, I'm about to put this Denman brush in my hair because we have to compare it, you know, to compare the shedding. Jesus. Okay, so let's do the Denman. So we're gonna take this section. Right here, I'm gonna detangle. Okay, so from that amount, there was a little bit more snagging with that, but from that side, this is how much hair we lost. I'm gonna take a picture of them side by side and put it on the screen so you can see it, because I think that me holding it up isn't really doing it justice. Okay, so I'm gonna go finish detangling the rest of my hair and style it before it dries completely, and then I'll come back and give you guys my final review, my final thoughts on the brush after I've used it to detangle all of my head, especially the crown. So I'm back. My hair is twisted and pinned, wrapped around my head, whatever, so it won't shrink as much overnight. I'm gonna make this quick because I actually have like a really bad headache right now. But my final thoughts on this brush is that this is amazing. If you have 4C hair, you should definitely get this. Like, no question about it, you should try it. I really didn't have any, I'm like cleaning out the brush. I really didn't have any section. I had a few sections in the crown area where there was like a little bit of like a cringing because it was snagging a little bit, but honestly there was like maybe 4 or 5 sections for an entire head of hair. So this brush is bomb. Like, seriously, this is a bomb ass detangler. I really think it's how like flexible, I don't know if you can see it, but like how flexible it is. It moves with the hair. I really think that that's, oh my god, I really think that that plays a big part in why this doesn't rip out your hair. But seriously, I'm gonna leave the link down below. This is a awesome brush. I'll include, I actually did like run the Denman through my hair again so you can see how the way the curl pattern differed. So this one is the Denman, and then this one is the Tangle Buster. The Denman literally just makes it like more of a tight kind of coil at my ends. This one did the same in some parts of my head, but not really. So yeah, bomb ass brush. Please go get this brush. I really love it. Like, I love this brush. I really love how easy this was to detangle my hair. Like 3 to 4 passes, and the section of hair that I was was detangling is detangled. Like, like perfectly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, of course. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.